In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form in Google Forms in just 5 minutes. It's straightforward and super efficient for handling basic order processing. First, navigate to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Once there, in the top left corner, click on New. This button is your gateway to creating a new document, spreadsheet, or form. From the drop-down menu, select Google Forms. Doing so will open a new tab with a blank Google form ready for you to customize. To start, click on Blank Form. This will allow you to create a form from scratch, tailor-made to your needs. Name your form to reflect what it's about. Simply click on the untitled form title and input something descriptive like order form. Adding a description right below can be useful to provide additional context to your customers, perhaps outlining what they'll get from completing the form. Next, let's require some essential information by adding a question for the customer's full name. Click on Short Answer Text for this, and make sure to toggle on the Required option. This step ensures you always gather names. Proceed by adding another short answer question, but now ask for their phone number. Again, making it a required field is important to easily reach the customer if needed. Now we'll move on to order details, which is crucial. Click the plus icon to add another question, and choose multiple choice grid. In this section, input your product options, including details like size and prices within the rows. For columns, add quantity options. This setup provides a clear and organized way for customers to select their desired items. Enhance your form by uploading an image of the product. Visuals can play a significant role in attracting customers, thereby encouraging them to complete their purchase. Once your form is set up, we need to adjust the settings. At the top right corner, click on Settings. This allows you to manage how responses are collected and protected. Navigate to Responses to ensure you handle data confidentially and appropriately. Further, you can delve into how input is processed by selecting Responder Input. After reviewing everything, click Publish. This will make your form accessible to others. Don't forget to click on Preview Form. This step is crucial as it allows you to see the form from a customer's perspective, providing an opportunity to catch any last-minute errors. And there you have it, a quick and easy Google form to manage orders efficiently. Customize further as necessary based on feedback or evolving business needs. Happy form creating!